G'day guys, Jesse here from Kingdomes, showcasing our latest 6 metre Kingdome build here in the, I would say beautiful Sunshine Coast, but unfortunately it has been letting us down with the humid heat and rain, but that's all right. We had a couple of days of beautiful sunshine to put our concrete posts and our platform in, specifically designed for our 6 metre Kingdome. But we wanted to show you a few new accessories that we have. Very excited for these accessories. I think they really upgrade the look, the visuals, and as well as the comfort levels of either yourself or your guests, or your guests. And so if we pan over now, we're showcasing our latest accessories here. This is our 3.2 metre wide sliding door option with the fly screen options there. As I said, it is a bit wet at the moment, so we're not going to walk inside, but I'll try and get some interior shots. But you got some, beautiful sliding doors there, as well as your fly screens. Oh, and there's a broom there. That's all right. And yeah, just gorgeous there. These are double glazed glass panels, 6 mil thick, air gap in the middle, and another 6 mil glass panel there to finish it off with a nice aluminium frame, nice and strong, nice and weather resistant, well, weatherproof in essence. We put a little platform extension just as basically a step just to dress up the entire entrance there. The client in particular using it as a private bedroom actually for their son, which I think is an amazing way of giving that sense of independency while still living on the property. I think that's a perfect idea, and it's very much what we're moving forward to as we move forward with property prices and things like that. In talking about prices, this standard package that's without the glass sliding door and without our premium insulation, which I will show you, is around that sort of 28,000 plus delivery, of course. But this particular model that we're looking at here with the sliding doors, with our upgraded insulation, you're looking at around that 35,000 installed by us at Kingdomes. As I said, so this one particular, which we're not religiously confined to, we're always open to suggestions. I like the idea of the glass sliding doors meeting in the center rather than from one side. I guess the drawback, there are pros and cons to everything. The drawback on that is that you lose, it's not so much lose, because our single door is 900 mil wide by 2100 tall, which is the same height as this. The only difference, I guess, is you lose airflow from both this door and this door, as it is a static door, as opposed to a sliding door, which you'd pull from one side to the other, but then it's not centralized. So I do like this because it gives you nice adequate amounts of airflow there. Pulling your fly screens nice and easy. On that basis as well, with our curtain railing system, it's nice and easy. Again, I won't walk inside because I've got muddy boots on, but just nice and simple and easy. Obviously there's one on that side as well. Happy days. What am I talking about now? I'm not sure what I need to talk about really. We are, like I mentioned, we are doing our premium insulation offerings there. This one here is a absolutely gorgeous brown. We are very new to the colors here. This is actually our first client's premium insulation offering to a public client. We did have a display dome that we did sell to lovely guys at Essential Healing Centre down in Melbourne. But this one here, so we haven't got colors yet, color names as yet, but it is a gorgeous brown. I think it's sort of a mix between a bronze and a brown. I think it's beautiful. We've also built an air conditioning mounting plate because the client in question didn't want any internal walls inside, wanted to be a nice open space for his bedroom. So we've just mounted an AC bracket that will feed in between our outside cover and our insulation there. Other than that, I think that's pretty much it really. Again, 6 metre Kingdome, built by us here, of course, at Kingdomes. And other than that, we'll leave you to it. Cheers.